Hey YouTube, it's your girl Deanna Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my lovely friend Ashley. You probably know her from my last video when I did her knotless braids. So yes y'all, today she has came back to do some more knotless braids and she wanted to do the sky blue knotless braids, and also, you know, her hair color is well or a little darker. So I pretty much mixed the two colors together. I started off with her hair color and then I had mixed that sky blue in with the darker hair color, which is like a number 2. Her hair is more so like a number 4, but we made that thing work. So pretty much what you'll see me doing is taking that rat tail comb and I am going ahead and parting off her hair into a nice clean section, and I am going to do square parts for her knotless braids. And yes y'all, I just want y'all to, it's kind of self-explanatory on how I do my knotless braids. So pretty much I'll take jam like I would take any other jam on your hair, and I just section it off and part it and make it real crisp and real clean. And I am going to section the piece, well, the parting, I'm going to section the part of hair off into 3 sections within that part. And I am going to take the hair and just feed it into the hair. And how I feed in my hair, I usually feed it in kind of like going around my pinky, because for some reason, y'all, I don't know, but I really be having a hard time trying to feed the hair in between my pointer and my thumb while I'm holding the braid. But I seen on other YouTube videos that people, they do it with ease, so maybe I just need to practice on doing that. But you know, sometimes when you're doing knotless braids, you have to do your technique, your style, and what's comfortable for you. And for me, it's me putting the piece of hair around my pinky and then putting it in between my thumb and my pointer. That way I know that my hair would not fly off everywhere. So yeah, y'all, I just want you to continue watching, and you'll see me just, you know, add in the darker pieces, and then I'll go in behind and add in the sky blue pieces, and I just continue to braid all the way down. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to y'all soon. And y'all just keep watching so y'all can see the end result. She loved her hair, I loved it too. And yeah, talk to you soon, trendsetters.
Damn, Jay, you made this? Damn, Jay, you made this?
Yes, period, sis. Turn around. Show them braids. Show them braids. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, with them parts. Period, poo. Yes. Yes. Who did your hair?
Raw Trends Boutique.
Period.
Hit her up.
Hey.
She always do it right.
Hey.
Yes.
Got the celeste going on. We got the celeste.
Yes.
Yes. Period.